We have progressed so far that it's now time to plan to end the Chevrolet Bolt EV and EUV production, which will happen at the very end of the year.
A special focus on General Motors' recent decision to cease production of their highly popular and affordable electric car, the EV Bolt. Join us as we shine a light on the heated criticism surrounding GM's shocking choice to cast aside this beloved eco-warrior in favor of other products. But wait, because there's more. We'll also explore the revolutionary concept of smaller electric cars, revealing their mind-blowing cost-effectiveness and perfect compatibility with batteries. And brace yourselves, folks, because GM is flipping the script by shifting gears towards electric trucks. Buckle up as we navigate this electrifying roller coaster ride together. In April 2023, the automotive world was rocked by General Motors' announcement. They dropped a bombshell by revealing their decision to cease production of the highly popular and affordable Chevrolet Bolt, which had become America's go-to electric car. With its modest price tag of $31,000, the Bolt had captured the hearts of eco-conscious consumers across the nation. However, GM justified their choice, citing costly battery recalls and the need to prioritize more profitable vehicles. Of course, such a seismic decision didn't go unnoticed. Environmental groups and electric vehicle enthusiasts were quick to voice their disappointment, viewing the Bolt as a vital player in driving the electric vehicle market forward. They argued that GM's move would impede the transition to greener transportation, stalling the progress we've made in combating climate change. Critics wasted no time pointing out the short-sightedness of abandoning a beloved and affordable electric car. They accused GM of turning their back on the market for such vehicles and shifting their focus solely towards the sales of highly profitable trucks and SUVs, offering a diverse lineup of SUVs to cater to different preferences and needs. The Chevy Blazer, a mid-size SUV that boasts a sporty and stylish design, with options for a turbocharged 4-cylinder or a more powerful V6 engine. The Chevy Equinox, a compact SUV, offers a comfortable interior and a choice between a supercharged 3-cylinder or a more potent 4-cylinder engine. The Chevy Traverse, a large SUV, impresses with a powerful V6 engine and spacious cabin. GMC brings luxury to the table with the Acadia, offering a refined interior and a V6 engine. For those seeking a full-size SUV, the GMC Yukon and Yukon XL deliver power and ample space. All these SUVs come with standard features like a rear-view camera and Bluetooth, with additional options available such as a sunroof and a premium sound system. The decision was seen by some as a betrayal of the growing demand for affordable electric options. However, GM stood firm in their defense, explaining that their decision was a necessary step to allocate resources towards their more lucrative vehicle offerings. They assured critics that they were actively working on developing a new generation of electric vehicles that would surpass the affordability of the Bolt. While larger electric vehicles have undoubtedly dominated the market, a revolutionary concept began gaining traction: smaller electric cars and EVs. These compact wonders are not only cost-effective but also battery-efficient alternatives. Their reduced weight and limited battery capacity make them more energy-efficient and affordable to produce. As the electric vehicle market continues to expand, there is a growing possibility that smaller electric cars will rise in demand, making a big impact on sustainable transportation. Despite the mixed reactions to GM's choice to halt production of the Bolt, the company remains steadfast in defending their decision as a necessary step towards focusing on more profitable ventures. They believe that electric trucks hold immense potential, paving the way for a greener future. In January 2023, GM took the automotive industry by storm with an audacious announcement. With a $2 billion investment, GM revealed its plan to transform its Orion plant in Michigan into a production hub for electric trucks. The factory was responsible for manufacturing the renowned Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra, and will now undergo a significant overhaul to produce the Chevrolet Silverado EV and GMC Hummer EV. GM's decision to prioritize electric trucks signals the company's unwavering commitment to the electric vehicle market. Recognizing that trucks dominate the American automotive landscape, GM foresees a substantial demand for electric trucks in the years to come. However, GM's singular focus on SUVs and trucks has attracted criticism from some quarters. Critics argue that GM's reluctance to invest in small electric battery cars disregards the increasing consumer demand for affordable EVs. Additionally, they contend that GM's emphasis on larger vehicles perpetuates environmental concerns, contributing to climate change. Responding to these concerns, GM defends its dedication to SUVs and trucks by highlighting the high consumer demand. They emphasize that they are actively developing a new generation of small, affordable EVs to address the evolving needs of the market. GM recognizes the importance of meeting the demand for affordable and sustainable transportation options. While GM's pivot to electric trucks displays a strong commitment to the EV market, some truck enthusiasts remain skeptical. They believe that electric trucks fail to match the power, performance, and off-road capabilities of their gas-powered counterparts. Nonetheless, GM and other automakers are diligently working to dispel these concerns. The forthcoming Chevrolet Silverado EV and GMC Hummer EV boast impressive specifications, including a range of up to 400 miles and a towing capacity of 10,000 pounds. Ultimately, the acceptance of electric trucks among truck enthusiasts remains uncertain. Nevertheless, GM and other automakers maintain confidence in the market potential for these vehicles, investing in technological advancements and innovations that address the needs and expectations of truck enthusiasts and environmentally conscious consumers alike. Now, let's shift our focus to another crucial aspect of electric vehicles: home charging. Home charging for electric cars presents its fair share of challenges and frustrations, but with the right approach, these obstacles can be overcome. One of the primary challenges of home charging is the cost of installing a charging station. Let's face it, the upfront cost can be substantial, especially if electrical work is required. But don't worry, it's essential to consider both the upfront and long-term expenses when selecting a home charging station. The key is to find the right balance that fits your budget and charging needs. Another frustration is the inconvenience of locating the charging station in a garage or an out-of-the-way location. With a bit of planning, you can choose a convenient spot that makes your charging experience hassle-free. Imagine having your charging station right in your garage or near your parking spot, ready to power up your electric vehicle whenever you need it. Time is another factor to consider, as home charging can be a slow process, especially with level 1 chargers. This may lead to range anxiety, the fear of running out of battery power before reaching one's destination. As more people switch to electric cars, the increased demand for electricity could result in higher rates, affecting owners of electric vehicles who consume more power. Now, let's address the infamous range anxiety, the fear of running out of battery power before reaching your destination. It's a common concern among electric vehicle owners, but fear not. Strategic trip planning is the key. By including home or public charging stops in your route, you can ensure peace of mind and eliminate those nagging range anxiety worries. Embrace the power of planning and never let range anxiety hold you back from experiencing the joys of electric driving. With the increasing availability of charging infrastructure and the expanding network of charging stations, it's become easier than ever to map out your journeys and identify charging opportunities along the way. Apps and online platforms can assist you in locating charging stations, checking their availability, and even estimating charging times. By incorporating these tools into your trip planning process, you can optimize your route to ensure you have sufficient charging options to keep your electric vehicle powered up throughout your journey. Remember, range anxiety can be overcome by staying informed, utilizing available resources, and planning ahead. Embrace the freedom and environmental benefits of electric driving, knowing that with a little preparation, your electric vehicle can take you wherever you want to go, without compromise. So hit the road with confidence and leave range anxiety in the rearview mirror. Lastly, let's delve into the matter of elevated electricity rates for electric vehicle owners. With the rising popularity of electric cars, the demand for electricity is surging. This upswing in demand can potentially translate into higher electricity rates, which may affect those who depend on electric vehicles. Nevertheless, it's vital to stay well informed about the rates offered by your electricity provider and take a broader perspective. Take into account the substantial cost savings that come with owning an electric vehicle, such as reduced fuel expenses and potential incentives. By carefully considering these aspects and staying knowledgeable, you can make a well-informed decision that aligns with your financial situation and contributes to the ongoing shift towards sustainable transportation. By understanding the challenges and implementing practical solutions, the benefits of owning an electric vehicle can be fully enjoyed. Yes, there may be initial hurdles, but embracing the future of sustainable transportation is worth every effort. Embrace the changes happening in the automotive industry and support the transition to greener transportation. Explore the world of smaller electric cars, their affordability and battery efficiency. Stay informed about General Motors' groundbreaking shift towards electric trucks and keep an open mind about their potential. Overcome the challenges of home charging by planning ahead and seeking convenient solutions. By being proactive and embracing sustainable transportation, we can collectively shape a cleaner, brighter future for generations to come. Together, let's drive the change towards a greener tomorrow.